Welcome to Drawlipa channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to boost volume in your Samsung phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down a bit and then go to sounds and vibration. After that scroll down again and then go to volume option, and here you can find your all the volume. At first you have to increase your all the volume slider. You can see ringtone, media, notification system, AI assistant and alarm. Now after increase all the volume, just go back and then scroll down again, then go to sound quality and effects option, then go to equalizer option. That's it. Now from here you can customize or adjust your system sound. Here you can find so many options: balanced, bass boost, smooth, dynamic, clear. You can also customize your sound from here. You have to just select custom and you can set anything as you like, but I suggest you to set balanced or smooth as you prefer. And that's it. And that is how you can boost volume in your Samsung phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.